So you've decided to buy the Canon 80D. The question now is, what else do you need to buy to set yourself up for success on YouTube? Let's head on to Amazon and I'm going to show you what you need to buy to have the perfect setup to get started. Click on the links below in the description to head over to see these products on Amazon. These are affiliate links and they allow us to earn a small commission if you buy through these links. These affiliate links help us keep the channel going and making videos for you just like this one. So the first thing we're going to do is buy a new lens for your Canon 80D. Let's look at the 50mm f1.8. This is a beautiful lens and it has the STM, which is a silent transmission motor at $125. It's a steel. It's a beautiful clean lens and gives you that nice blurry background. If this is a bit expensive for you and you want to find a cheaper option, you can look at the Yongnuo 50mm. I don't really know how to pronounce that, but it's a bit cheaper at $50 and there are lots of customer reviews saying that it's a great lens. I haven't personally tried it out, but if you want a cheaper option and you're happy to go for a generic lens, then you can head over and add that to your cart. The next lens we're going to look at is the Canon 24mm. There is the 1.4 L series lens, but this is very expensive as it's a professional lens. So we're going to go for the f2.8. It's a lot cheaper at $129. And let's go ahead and add that to our cart. This is going to be a nice wide angle for our video when you want to stand really nice and close to the lens and still get your full face and shoulders in the shot. Next we need sound, so let's add the Rode Video Micro. This is a nice cheap microphone that's going to give you great sound for the price that it costs. You can go for the Video Mic Go or the Video Mic Pro, but to get started the Video Micro is perfect at $55. Let's add it to the cart. Now let's get some ND filters to make your footage look cinematic. The two lenses, the 50mm and the 24mm, both have a diameter of 52mm, so we can use the same ND filter for these. Now you can buy different ND filters, or you can buy a variable neutral density. We're going to go with the variable so we can adjust the neutral density according to the light that we have available to us. This is perfect. Make sure it's the 52mm, or if you have different size lenses, make sure you have the right size for your lenses and add it to the cart. Whew, I'm getting excited about all of this. Next we're going to look at a tripod. Now remember, we want a fluid head so you get that smooth panning movement for your videos. You can look at other brands here. We're just going to go with a nice cheap option. This Viltrox is perfect at $139. Now we need an SD card to add all our video files to. Make sure you have a large enough file so you don't have to keep changing this. We're going to go with the 64 gig. You can have an 80 megabyte per second, but we prefer the 90 megabyte per second. There it is, the gold one at $19. That's perfect. Add that to your cart. We don't need any of these accessories that Amazon try and upsell you with. And we're going to add a light. Now there's a really nice cheap aperture light. So if you search for aperture by clicking on the link in the description, there it is, $40. That's really cheap for a light. That'll get you started perfectly lighting up your YouTube videos. Let's add that to the cart. Don't need any of those accessories. Thanks Amazon for trying to upsell us again. Amazon's really good at upselling you. So if we head into your cart and you look at your subtotal with your 8 items that we're going to purchase together with our Canon 80D, the total is going to come up to $1,456.32. And you're set and ready with your new YouTube setup. I hope you enjoyed this video on what you need to buy together with your Canon 80D to have the best setup for YouTube success. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this. And don't forget to click on the bell to turn on notifications. We'll see you in the next video.